Saving money doesn't have to be difficult. In this video, I will share 5 simple habits that can help you save money faster even if your income is low. First, track every expense. Write down everything you spend: food, mobile recharge, transport, even small snacks. When you see your spending clearly, having becomes easier. Tips number 2. Cut small daily costs. These look small, but they add up. Reduce buying unnecessary food, shopping, and online orders. Small cuts create big savings. Tips number 3. Use the 50-30-20 rules. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. This simple rule keeps your spending under control. Tips number 4. Set a weekly saving goal. It can be $5, $10, or any small amount. Saving weekly is easier than saving monthly. Step number 5. Save fast, spend later. The moment you get your income, put a part of it directly into savings. This one habit can change everything. These small steps can help you build discipline and grow your savings over time. Start today and your future self will thank you.